Hi, this is a quick unboxing review of the Digoo BB-M1 camera. It came in a pretty generic box, so that tells you nothing about it, but let's open it up and see what we get inside. Inside we get in the camera. It has a micro USB connection on the back. We get in also a micro USB cable, and we get in these accessories to mount it to a wall. Additionally, we get in this quick manual, which we're going to use right now in order to install the camera. First, you have to search for the 360i application in the App Store or in the Google Play and install it. Let's install it and open it up. After you have downloaded the app and open it up, just connect the camera to a USB source. It will power up, and then you should hit the Wi-Fi smart link. We're gonna put here, I'm gonna put my password. Then hit next, and it's configuring should configure the camera. And after almost a minute, it's succeeded. Let's see. Press it here. Pass for no. Never noticed. No. Okay. And we can see. Let me just mute it. Okay, so I muted the camera, and we can move it around. Here, as you can see. Move it left. And it's 360, you have 360 degrees. The quality looks pretty good, I must say. Let's see. Okay, up. So you have 90, a little bit more than 90 degrees. And you can also hold to talk. So if you hold to talk, now. Testing 1 2 3.
Testing 1 2 3.
So you can also use it as two-way communication, so you can hear what is being recorded by the camera, and you can also transmit record audio that will be played on the camera. Now it's normal. This is HD. Now the quality is even better. Okay. What is 180? 180 is reversing the image. You can also do a screenshot. I'm not sure why it didn't work, but it should work. Stop and play, yes. You can also change the settings. You can also record, alarm record, video quality. You can also format the SD. Count. Okay, you can check for an update. There is no update available. You can also hear alarm is on, alarm is off, alarm notifications. Okay. See, you can also put it like that, and then you can see full video. This is the micro SD card slot, so you just put it in this manner and press it, and then it will recognize the SD card. You can go record. You can see there is available 14 gigabytes, and then you can save and you can start recording whenever you want. Continuous record. You can also format the card. One of the coolest features here is the night vision. Right now the camera is in a dark room. By the way, you can also use your finger in order to swipe it in your direction to move the camera, sorry. You can see the camera is right now in a total dark room, and the infrared allows it to see at night. By the way, the 16 GB of flash cards should provide you about a week to 10 days of usage. Of course, you can use up to 64 gigs. That can help you use for about a month of continuous record. So this camera, I think it's pretty useful. It has the advantages, the 360 degrees swivel, and you can also mount it on the wall if you'd like. And for almost 20 bucks, I think this is a pretty good deal if you're looking for home security camera, and the quality is pretty nice, and you can also of course view this camera from anywhere on the globe with an internet connection. It just has to be connected to your Wi-Fi network. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I invite you to subscribe to my channel.